It is 1:30 in the morning in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And we are in near whiteout conditions. I'm gonna say I kind of was gonna be over it. We've had the most mild winter with 70 degrees in February, and thunderstorms and tornadoes. We kind of got bamboozled in snow, but I have nowhere to be tomorrow. We have nowhere to be tomorrow. We can post and list from home, so we're excited about that because we are getting a ton of pain. The stuff is coming down. I mean, it literally started snowing, I don't know, maybe an hour ago, and we already probably have an inch built up, and it is no stopping in sight. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.